this is what your buys should look like. So I got in here, I don't know, somewhere around 400,000 market cap. I knew this was probably going to run because I also got in on on-chain dog, which went up to almost 3 million. So I grabbed it here and it went up, and then I grabbed this little tiny retraction. So when it's going up like this, you don't want to wait for huge pullbacks because it's just not going to happen when a coin is running. You're going to miss out. You can see right here with the RSI being so high, it's just up, up, up. So if you just continue to wait for something like this, you kind of miss out on all of that. So as long as it's going up, it's staying inside of your Bollinger Band. Momentum, volume, like all of the indicators here are looking good. You just stay in. But eventually there's going to be a retraction. And look, I mean, I almost perfectly can time the top. So, and again, it's you guys, if you have not set up your charts, you have to set them up like this. I mean, this was the exact indicator. I knew it was going to dip. So it had a run up, and I didn't sell my whole position. I only sold a portion of my position because I actually think it's going to keep going. But this is like your take profit level. So I think I sold maybe like 25% or maybe 35%, something like that, so that I could lock in some of these profits that I've, already made. And then like if I wasn't already in the coin quite a bit of money, I probably would have bought again here, but you can see my average price is already just at like 543,000. So like even now, I mean, I'm still up 65%. And I've already sold in taken profits. So again, like if I were just buying small incremental amounts, I probably would have bought this dip here because you guys, this is your indicator again. Remember, here's blue crosses over yellow with volume. In your purple is your RSI. So your RSI is going up above, 25, 35, whatever percent. So this would have been your buy-in. That was literally right here at this dip. So, and again, now it's just kind of like going up, going up, going up. I'll probably put what I'll watch for is this. I'm going to see if it's going to bounce off resistance here, the ceiling at 1 million. And if it does, then I will probably sell more, maybe another 25%, because it's now not, going to break out of this. If it breaks out of this, I'm going to wait till it hits it and we'll see. If it breaks out, then I'm going to let it go. And psychologically, like the next take profit level for people will be like 1.25 or 1.5 million. I try to set my stops a tad under that. So I might set my next one at like 1.15 or something like that, or 1.18, like something that's going to be below 1.25, because a lot of people will have their stop loss or their take profit level set there. And I don't want it to dip before that. Like I want to lock in most of my profits, and there will be too much slippage at those levels. So I'll set mine. I mean, you'll lose a few dollars, but it's better than, the retraction that will come at those key points. And see, that's what happens. Like here is that million point. So I locked in, had my sell, and then that's what happens. You see this like big red candle right afterwards, because a lot of people probably had their stop losses at 1 million. I think mine was at like 900 and who even knows, like 90,000, something like that, where mine was going to trigger before. Okay, so this is what we're looking for. Is it going to break through that million threshold? And if it does and it holds, then it has potential to keep going. If it retracts and comes down, like I said, I'll probably take more profits here. Because it's not going to keep going. So I know this is kind of getting long, but I want you guys to see this so you know what to look for. Okay, so it's not pushing significantly past that, and we're seeing retraction. So probably I'll sell here. I might watch it just for a minute because I don't really have to sell, but unless it's like kind of another breakout, and let's see, maybe it will keep going. I mean, our RSI is still okay. We're definitely getting to over bought. It's going to retract now. Like I need to probably, let me like take profit, but I don't know if I can do that while I'm like recording my screen. So, okay, I'm going to end this so that I can, see, look. Okay, well, see, now I lost all this money because I couldn't take my profit while I had my screen record on. But anyways, this is what happens. That's what I was saying, is that's probably why I would have locked in my profit there, because it's going to